Dzień dobry. We are leaving Mammoth Lakes, Mono County, California. We had a little bit of snow last night, as you can see on the car. It took a while to defrost the windscreen because somebody parked it in the shade last night. Yeah, there's not much snow added to the mountain since yesterday. You're clear on the right.
Thank you.
So we're going to head towards Bishop, through Big Pine, past Manzanar, the place where the Yanks put all the Japs.
It's a bit more snow, actually. Sorry to interrupt. It's a bit more snow at the top.
Right, very good. Where the Yanks interred a load of Japs during 1942. But we're not going to bother with that because it sounds highly depressing. And then we'll carry on to Lone Pine, where our digs will be at a hotel there tonight. But we're going to get there before midday, so we will go and have a neb at Marble Arch and do all the Alabama Hills touristy stuff. Mobius Arch, I don't know, some sort of arch. Alabama Hills, where they filmed all the old westerns, that kind of stuff. People up and about. It's very cold this morning, -1, plus the wind chill, of course. But,
right, so I can turn right.
If you stop.
If I stop.
Bit slow there recording, but I had a nice clear view of the mountains there. You can see them through the trees. It was here the other morning when we were going out to do sunrise at Convict Lake that there's a warning, I believe, coming up on the right hand side. There's a warning for deer, and then speed limit increases to 55. Just got to 55, and of course this little deer just struts out.
It wasn't running.
Here's the warning for deer, and then, oh, there's the speed limit, so I can go from 45 up to 55, and just beyond this 55 sign, he was there strutting about. Pick a lane, honey.
Sorry,
one on the left. There we go. Very good. Just don't keep
I'm
an
too
eye
busy
on it.
nebbing for deer.
Right, well, don't drive in the forest or you might meet one. Okay, so that's us heading out, done with Mammoth Lakes. Boring journey, mostly downhill. We're going from 7,500 down to about 3,500 feet. So hopefully we can breathe normally and not be mouth breathers.
I've been so mouth breathing.
Eating pizza at 8:30 this morning. Okay. Yeah, it was not a pretty sight. Okay, ciao. And more snowy mountains just because we can. We can't get enough of that. Watch for deer migration and a list of road closures. Okay. It is. There's an exciting through it.
Couple of them. Apologies.
Right, back in the woods you go. Right, the guy behind me's got his hazards on now. Thank you, dear. There you go. Alrighty. Very cute. Alright. Alrighty, we're coming up Mount Whitney Portal Road.
That's the painted box.
That's the silly painted
Got a
box.
smiley today.
Yeah, people keep defacing it. We must. Some more rocks. Oh, a tree in the middle of it all. And Mount Whitney's one of these, I guess.
I think it's the one that looks. Is that one that's furthest away?
I don't know.
I think that's it.
Okay. The highest peak in the lower 48.
It is.
I don't know what point we swing right onto Movie Roads, but Movie Road's up here on the right somewhere.
Yeah, we're going to do a bit of a recce.
A bit of traffic coming out.
Temperature's about 15.
Goody.
It's fluctuating 14, 15. We were going to put shorts on, but I think we might stay as we are.
Okay. A big pile of rubble ahead. Interesting. Could this be a green sign for Movie Road?
No, I've got a car in the distance behind
Yeah,
me.
this is Movie Road. We'll take a right here.
Yep.
And we'll head on down Movie Road.
Yeah, because Whitney Portal is straight on. We've got a little sign there. Cool.
So I was looking back towards Lone Pine down there where we're staying tonight.
The car's gone straight on.
Okay.
This is Django, we think.
Yeah, over there somewhere.
And we didn't record because it was a bit sketchy. We had to do a little bit of, we couldn't even see the road. So yeah, we did a little bit of a 3-point turn and came back out. But this is all basically where Django and, was there another film?
Lone Ranger.
Lone Ranger, Django, all around here. All behind.
Some of it.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to keep going and see what we can see. People. Yeah, it wasn't very obvious where the trail is. It's kind of like, I'm not going down there. So I think, oh wow, there it is. It is cold, it's about 4 degrees, but the wind is so chilly.